Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Roborock app for smart cleaning and home routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Roborock app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, type Roborock and tap the search icon. Review the search results for the official Roborock app. It is usually the first app listed, showcasing the Roborock logo. Tap on the app to view its details and features. Check the ratings and reviews to ensure it's the official application. Once confirmed, tap the download or install button. The app will begin downloading to your device. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, locate the Roborock app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. You may need to create an account if you're a first-time user. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. After logging in, you can connect your Roborock device. Ensure your Roborock is powered on and within Bluetooth range. Follow the instructions within the app to pair your device. Once connected, explore the app to set smart cleaning schedules and routines. Customize your preferences according to your cleaning needs. Your Roborock is now ready for use, enhancing your home cleaning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.